Hi, my name is Aleksandryna and I'm a watercolor artist. I invite you to join my class and paint a majestic owl with watercolor. First, I will show you art materials and color swatches I'm going to use. Then we will move to drawing a sketch and applying masking liquid. And finally, we'll start painting. You learn how to use the wet-on-wet technique to create smooth, natural transitions, how to preserve highlights with masking liquid, and how to mix beautiful shades using just a few colors. This class is designed for all skill levels, so whether you are a beginner or have some experience with watercolor, you will find easy to follow guidance to help you create a beautiful painting. By the end of this class, you will have a stunning owl painting and new watercolor skills to use in your future artworks. Grab your brushes, prepare your watercolors, and I hope to see you in the class.